Beef, garlic and herbs. It's a combination that's been dominant in the cooking industry since, well, forever. And today we're going to make up some beautiful beef kebabs cooked over charcoal on one of the Flaming Coals barbecues. The key to making these kebabs perfect all comes down to the texture. Too chunky and it's going to fall off the skewer. Too runny and, well, it's going to fall off the skewer. So some people like to mix all the ingredients up with a food processor. Personally, I like to just chuck my hands in there so I've got full control and I can really feel how those flavors are coming together. It's time to grab our ingredients, pop it in the bowl and get mixing. Here we have our 1 kilo of mince, our onion, garlic, some shaved ginger, turmeric, cumin, cinnamon, paprika, salt, pepper, some finely chopped parsley, mint, and some lemon juice and olive oil. Now that all our ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to chuck our hands in there and start mixing. Now, the consistency that we're looking for is like a paste. If our mixture is too dry, we can always add some olive oil, lemon juice, or even an egg. If it's a little bit too runny, just pop in some breadcrumbs and mix that through. I'm really happy with this texture and consistency. I'm just going to let this sit for about half an hour while I go and get the fire started. Our meat's rested, our fire's almost ready, so it's time to put our mince onto the kebab skewers. We're going to start by squeezing our mince into balls. Now we have our mincemeat balls, we're going to mould them around the skewer. Just make sure you press firmly so the mince doesn't come off the skewer mid-cook, and also try and spread it around evenly. Just make sure you don't go right to the ends because we want to make sure that the whole kebab is fully cooked. Our skewers are all ready, our charcoal's piping hot, so the only thing left to do is to pop the kebab skewers onto the barbecue. The great thing about these kebabs is that they don't take long to cook at all. 10-15 minutes and you're done. You don't want to overcook them, otherwise they will get dry. Just wait till they get a nice colour on the outside and for the meat to lose its pink on the inside. Just look at them. They look absolutely incredible and the smell, I can't describe it. I wish you were here to smell it for yourself. I've splashed some melted butter over them. They're going to taste absolutely delicious. It's time to get in. That is delicious. The flavors from the herbs, the mint and the lemon, it all just comes together so well. This is definitely going to be my go-to for a midweek cook. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. If you're interested in doing this at home for yourself, just click in the description below. We've got a link to the full recipe. Leave us a comment. Let us know what kind of videos you want to see from us in the future. And we look forward to catching you in the next video.